Yes, ma'am. So at the same timing, we have Python session also. So
How come they're putting Python session in our slot? They cannot, right?
yes, ma'am. Actually, this class is there from the beginning of this term, actually, ma'am.
Oh, but I already spoke to the team. Let me talk to them again because that cannot happen, right? So I'll talk to the team and I'll somehow plan to fix this, okay? Our session cannot be postponed for sure, signals and systems, because
Can
that's
we prepone, ma'am? Is it possible? I mean,
preponing is
the
also
time.
not possible because of multiple reasons. Uh, so I cannot do, since I am doing this on Saturday, I cannot do
Hmm.
it from Sunday to Tuesday because it will be too soon. And Wednesday,
Hmm.
I was only given slot from 8 to 10. So there is no
Oh, okay,
available
okay.
slot from 6 to 8.
Oh,
So at
okay.
least, so that was the slot I was given. So I'm not really sure how I can help with you guys regarding this. I'm how
Okay.
I can help you guys regarding this. But anyways, I'll talk to the team. Okay, this cannot happen. Yeah, let me check with the team on what it is. If it is possible,
Yeah,
then I'll
sure.
prepone it to 6 to 8. I don't have any problem. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah.
What
Thank you,
happened
ma'am.
to others? Is any other session happening now, or like what happened?
No, no.
Um, oh, okay. Okay, so nobody joined the session. That's why I'm wondering, like, what happened.
Maybe they may be engaged in doing assignments. Maybe tomorrow is the deadline.
Okay, but usually this is not how it'll be. At least couple of guys, Satyam, Gayatri, they all join. But yeah, okay. Let me wait for another
Maybe I
5 minutes,
post a
please.
message in the group, ma'am,
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
please, please. Yeah, thank you. Hi Subhash, do you have any specific questions to discuss?
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, regarding the MATLAB code,
Mm.
where is it available?
Okay, so did sir mention that it is available in your, supplementary files or somewhere? If you mentioned that, maybe I have to check it. I am not really sure if the team uploaded that MATLAB code, but yeah, I will check with the professor, and if it is not uploaded, I'll ask the team to upload it. maybe where these live session links are being uploaded, that important links, uh, you know, uh, uh,
Yeah,
maybe
sure,
there's
ma'am.
some link, like important links, right? We'll ask them to upload over there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Because in the lectures we saw professor told that we are given the code actually.
Okay, let me check, but yeah, let me check with the professor, and yeah, we'll update it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Subhash, Gayatri, hi. Are you guys there?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. So, any specific doubts you guys want me to discuss? Did
Nothing
you,
from my side.
did you guys try solving the assignment problems? Week 7, right? So, when is the 7th assignment deadline? Today, tomorrow? Or is it already done?
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay. And then when is your 8th assignment deadline coming up? I think on 31st, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, any questions?
Nothing as of now. Maybe after the deadline, I might ask few questions.
Okay. So, how are the assignments? Okay, or are you facing some difficulties on? I hope the hints that were given in the last live session are helpful, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so ma'am, can we expect activity questions after each lectures in near future?
Activity questions. So, I don't know what you mean by activity questions. So, what
Similar kind of
extra are you expecting other than the questions? So tell me this thing. So the questions covered in the assignments are more or less covering all the topics that you are seeing, right, in the classes.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, yes, ma'am.
So then, what do you mean by the activity questions? So I
No,
mean for. Mhm.
Actually, in
yes, ma'am. It's
mathematics, what they do is in activity questions, they give slightly very basic questions to kind of strengthen our concepts. They are not even as they are not as to the level of GA or PA questions. I mean, the graded assignment or practice assignment questions. They are very
Mhm.
very basic questions, like
Okay. So
just to
so are the questions being given in the assignments? Do you so
questions
let
in
me
assignments.
understand
Some of
this.
them
So.
are very see. Some of them in assignments are very very basic.
Mm.
But some of them it needs a little bit of thinking.
Exactly. So that's how the assignment should be, right? So you should have questions from basic to the high level so that you learn the concept along the way. That's the idea of giving basic questions as well as some hardness questions, because uh, considering the interest of the class, maybe certain people, they might be wanting to solve some challenging questions. And also, like, if you guys are planning to write some competitive exams in the future, so at least that level of training is much needed, and I hope the questions are going from the basic to the difficulty level. So I don't know what exactly. Maybe I can give the activity questions, but it's just that I'm thinking it'll be similar to the basic questions from your assignment. So it's like I just have to change some numbers and give. Maybe we can do that. Since the course is almost like came to ninth week, I'm not sure if we can do it this time, but maybe from the next time. We'll have to think
Uh,
about it, okay?
Sometimes in earlier courses, they used to just give some activity questions as PDF. They won't even upload it in. I mean, not in a very structured.
See, if in your week 9 assignment, practice assignment, I have given couple of questions where you can discuss among yourselves and solve the problem. Just to make you guys interact with others, we have given like couple of questions. Maybe we can give more of such questions, but yeah, I don't think
So
anything
in
like
this
activity
online in
questions.
this online mode, this interaction thing doesn't work, ma'am, because everybody work,
But you guys have this WhatsApp and all, right? So
but
you
no,
guys
not
can,
much of technical discussions happen there.
but you can at least verify your answers, right? If you start the discussion, maybe somebody else might come and talk to you. At least somebody should be starting the discussion, right?
It doesn't happen, ma'am. So far, we have maybe occasionally it happens, but everybody is busy with their own schedule. So
I see.
it works better in an offline mode, I think, because we have a
Hmm.
class kind of thing. But this online mode is a very, very different game. And
Okay.
everybody comes with a very different background. I mean, some people already have a certain amount of knowledge, some people have absolutely no knowledge. So it's a very, very diverse mixture of people.
I see. Okay, let me check about this activity questions then. So, yeah, we'll see. I cannot promise anything, but we'll try. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, doesn't that load you guys more in some way? You already have practice. I'm just trying to understand. So, you already have practice assignments, you already have graded assignments. Doesn't providing activity questions also load you more?
Then in that case, maybe one or two questions we can, extra questions we can do it in live session.
Uh,
Actually,
okay.
you did some a few questions during this thing, ma'am. The shifting scaling initial days.
Hmm.
You did some questions during live session.
See, shifting and scaling is, like, okay, you can just form any number of signals by just shifting and scaling, okay? But that's not the case with Fourier series and all. There are limited questions to practice, okay? Formulating some, random question is not a straightforward thing to do. But if you guys can give me some questions where you pick up from textbook and all, maybe we can do such questions. Already, lot of questions are being exhausted in your lecture videos. Professor is solving like lots of different questions. Already, you have several problem solving sessions during the lecture videos itself, where he is solving almost every question from the textbook. Literally every question from the textbook. And then, like, whatever the practice questions that we are left over with, we are already giving them in the assignments. 20 questions literally. So 10 questions in the graded assignment, 10 questions in the practice assignment. That itself is a lot of practice questions. So I'm not understanding like what, you know I'm still trying to figure out. I mean, yeah, we'll see. But yeah, we are already giving enough content. So it's not only with you guys, it should also be with others, right? So maybe it's not loading you guys, but maybe there are some other students where, you know solving more and more might load them. So we also should consider the interest of the whole class. Okay. uh yeah.
Okay, no
uh,
problem.
yeah.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Regarding the questions in last term, at least in that course, EEC, Electrical and Electronic Circuits,